Connecticut Lighting Centers just moved to a brand new location, and they combined 3 buildings all into one beautiful showroom.
Connecticut Lighting, Restoration Lighting Galleries, and the warehouse are now all under one roof for your shopping pleasure. And I got a special tour to show you around. Take a look.
All right.
Ladies and gentlemen, Todd Director, President of Connecticut Lighting Centers in Hartford, Connecticut. Old location, about a 9-iron away. New location, right here.
Absolutely.
It is absolutely stunning. All right, so I know you're into lighting, and I know the whole thing is lighting, but there's so much more to the store. It's almost like a department store.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, lighting, ceiling fans, decorative hardware, tons more home accents, window shades, restoration and repair. I'm going to show you everything.
Let's go inside and show it off. Oh, so awesome in here. I love it. All right, so first department, let's start off right off the bat, decorative lighting.
Yeah, so in this new showroom here, there's over 3,000 hanging fixtures up on the ceiling. And again, one of the things that we tried to do right as you walk in is just hit you with some wow, interesting, cool fixtures.
Next department, Todd?
Functional lighting.
All right, so there's a difference between functional lighting and decorative lighting.
Functional lighting is recessed, track, under cabinet, cove lighting.
Let's
take a look.
All right, Todd, here we are. You designed this beautiful kitchen to show off functional lighting.
Absolutely. You know, quite often consumers are really in the mix and picking out decorative lighting, but they're doing a kitchen, they're doing a bathroom, doing a remodel. They really have no say in what goes up in their ceiling. Typically, general contractor or electrician just picks it and goes. Here at Connecticut Lighting, we can help in the process, and I want to show you how different recessed lighting can really make a huge difference.
All right, let's do it.
So if you look up right here, these are wafers. They provide a lot of light, but they're very glary. Just take a look at this space when I turn those off, and then I put a nice, good quality recessed light in its place. You're gonna notice about double the amount of light on the surface.
Yeah, that's really nice.
Okay, so just a totally different look and feel. And then the other thing is, we always remind people the importance of under cabinet lighting.
Yeah, that's
you know,
so important.
Especially in a kitchen.
All right, beautiful job here, Todd. What's next?
Window shades.
Window shades. Big department for Connecticut Lighting.
Absolutely.
I don't want to be shady, Todd, but we got to talk about a shady. We got to talk about a shady product.
Shady product, absolutely. Window shades. Again, we do full service window shading. Any application imaginable, both motorized and manual. You know, motorized has been a huge part of our business for quite some time with Lutron, but for the manual window shading business, we use Springs Window Fashions, the Graber line, beautiful product, a little bit less money than Hunter Douglas, and just great product. And the process is simple.
Yeah.
You know, you come in, you give us your information, or you call in, you give us your information, we send our installer out, they come out, they measure, they bring all the samples right with them, and we just get the process going.
I'm sensing decor and accessories, Todd. You got that here?
Absolutely, plenty of it.
Let's check that out. All you have to do is look around the showroom and you'll see plenty of home decor, but it's particularly highlighted right here. This is beautiful.
Yeah, we have areas all over the showroom with, you know, lamps, floor lamps, table lamps incorporated with different accent furniture and all different types of pieces and, you know, pieces for the table and just really cool stuff.
Like beautiful like vases with faux flowers. Wine glasses that act as votives, like for candles, votives themselves.
Yeah, again, we try to find stuff that you're just not going to see anywhere else. You know, unique, different, cool gifts.
Need a doorknob? Todd, you really got a handle on the doorknobs.
Yeah, we do. Again, one of the really, you know, interesting things about door hardware is, again, just like anything else, there's a lot of options that you have as a consumer that you would never know. You know, whether you want a lever, a knob, a rose that's round versus square versus rectangle. This stuff is all mix and match. It's not any more money to order it the way that you want it. You can have satin nickel on one side of the door and then have black on the other side of the door to match the accents in the 2 different spaces. So again, just an extensive display and inventory of all different types of hardware.
Excellent. Todd, you want to be the life of the party? Get a shade here at Restoration Lighting Galleries.
Over 1,000 lampshades on display to choose from as far as restoration and repair services and vintage lighting that is fully restored for purchase right here at Restoration Lighting Gallery.
This is unbelievable, and if you paid attention to that segment, good for you. Todd, huge fan of Connecticut Lighting, huge fan of yours, huge fan of the fans.
Over 180 fans on display, fans for every application, every size, all the different finishes, all the different functionalities. And again, a fan is something that you definitely want to talk to a knowledgeable sales consultant here at Connecticut Lighting before you just pick one.
Where did I get my fan?
Right here at Connecticut Lighting.
Turn on your hard light and your outdoor light, Todd. This is an amazing room.
Thank you. You know, low voltage landscape lighting.
Okay.
Huge category for us. You know, one thing that people really don't realize is low voltage cable, extremely easy to install. You have a plug-in transformer, plugs into an outlet. You run your low voltage cable. It does not need to be trenched, anything. Just you can lay it right down in mulch, just like this.
Oh, that's cool.
Pathway lights, upway lights, wall lights, you name it. Everything to do with the whole landscape project you can get right here at Connecticut Lighting. The transformer, the wire, the fixtures, everything. We'll even come out and design it if we have to.
Oh,
the only
seriously?
thing we don't do is install.
Okay,
Absolutely.
terrific.
And last but not least, the warehouse.
Todd, huge warehouse, good for many things. Two off the top.
So first off, so you can see it, touch it, and take it home today. Same day service. And the other thing is too that people don't realize, building a new home, doing an existing remodel or anything else, we store jobs here for people. We label them, we put the bulbs with them, we put them in a bin location, then when you're ready for it, you come and pick it up or we deliver it.
Any charge for that?
Absolutely not.
That is incredible. All right, really good service. If you would like to visit Connecticut Lighting Centers, they have two locations. One is in Hartford that you just saw, the other is in Southington. Check out ctlighting.com for more information and tell them Great Day at 9A sent you their way.